So I will attempt to put these together and present to you. Let's begin. So we have this right here. Everything comes well packaged. I'm going to take everything out of the package first. All right, ladies and gents, this is what it looks like. Takes you about a minute to put this together. I didn't even have to look at the instruction manual. So I believe so. We're going to put some water here and then plug this on. Okay, this is the button right here. You can turn it on. And I'm going to use some of the stones just to put it right in this spots. And that's it. Quick assembly straight out of the box and looks really cute and fancy. It is very lightweight, but it can hold just about enough water. And yes, it comes with the stones and everything else. And quick tip, once you fill it up with water and run it for the first time, the pump may make some sound just for a few seconds, so let it pass through, and then it's crystal clear and silent. Ladies and gents, this is clean and really peaceful. There's barely any noise. So I'll let you know down the road how it works out. Ladies and gents, a quick thing to note, if you pay attention, the water level has dried out. Well, it went lower, right? The reason is evaporation, of course. So based on where you place this water fountain, you might have to fill in the water, which I'm going to do right now, because obviously this requires water, and without water, you might just destroy the pump. So it's not wise to do that. All right. So this is a good time, and just clear a bottle of water until you feel it just about enough. Okay. So yeah. So if you look at it now, the water is back. Sure, I could add a little more, but that's about it. And for me, every once a week or every 5 days, I guess, I could just fill it up. But regardless, depending on where you place it, like I said, the water evaporates, moisture and all that plays an important factor. So anyways, no complaints whatsoever. It's still silent, barely makes any noise. So just to give you a clear view, this is what it looks like. And the water is still running smooth. So far, so good. I might want to, well, I will probably, I plan on cleaning it up once a month, maybe, depends on how actually they look. So hope you found this useful. And yeah, thanks for watching.